Alright, so I'm gonna be giving a professional UV map tutorial for all the retards that don't know how to do it. So just open your you need Blender and Paint.net or something else, whatever. You need Blender though. So first you want to open Studio, grab the part that you want to AO bake. Or not AO bake, UV map. Okay, so grab the part that you want to AO bake, copy it, paste it, or like just make a copy of it. If you have a surface appearance on it, I recommend taking it off just so like it could crash if you save it with a surface appearance on it. Now I usually do this just in case my base plate is like super full. You can copy the actual piece, hit file at the top, go to new, open a new base plate, paste it, right click on it in Explorer, save/export, export selection, then just save it wherever. And the reason you make a new base plate is because sometimes when you save it, like on a base plate with a bunch of models on it, it crashes because GT7 models are so high try. So after you save it to your files, like export the OBJ, you can close the second window you just opened to export in. Then you want to open Blender, click A, X, delete selected objects, and then drag it in. And then if you're UV mapping multiple parts, do split by group, but most people are just gonna use this for like window stickers. So I dragged it in, click object at the top, set origin, geometry to origin, click tab, or just go up here and switch to edit mode, switch to select mode, click A, M, by distance, and then click the little texture icon down here, remove the texture off of it. And then if your windows aren't separated like this, what you want to do is just click tab, just like click out of it because you're gonna have everything selected, so just like click out and then hit C and then just draw over the parts that you don't want to UV map. So I'm just gonna UV map my windshield. You can do Control L and that selects all the link parts, but sometimes if you do that, it might select the part you're trying to UV map. So you're probably better off just doing C and then drawing over it, like selecting the faces. And then you want to click X and then do delete faces. And then go to UV editing. Click on the right side, click A, and then click over here, click A again. Right click, unwrap. And then you can see you have your little UV template. Click UV at the top, export UV layout, and then export it. And now open your photo editing software. I just use Paint.net, but you can really use whatever. And then you want to, the rest of this is going to be for Paint.net. If you're on something else, I don't really know how to explain multiple things in once, so I recommend using Paint.net. So you want to get the picture you just saved of the AO bake or the UV map, drag it in, and then never hit add layer, only open. And then kind of just find stickers, so like and then drag your picture in. Always hit add layer when you're adding a new sticker. And then, kind of just put it where you want. Like I'll put this like right in the middle of my windshield. And then when you're done UV mapping all your stickers, just turn the background off down here, like that. Click File, Save As, make sure you save it as PNG, and then name it something. I usually copy what I name it, just so I don't have to like type it in or scroll and look for it in Blender. Hit OK, flatten, then you can close this out. Or actually, I would keep that open just in case you want to like fit a sticker better. So when you're back in Blender after saving the UV map image, you want to go to shading, click new, add texture, image texture, click open. Okay, my Blender's killing itself. Okay, there we go. Now I copied the name, but normally you would just type the name in up here. So type in the name of the image you just saved, like the one with your stickers on it. Double click it, drag color to base color. You can see my UV map worked. then go to File, Export, FBX, then put it wherever. Make sure you turn the scale all the way down, or else it's just gonna be huge when you import it. Name it whatever. Export, close Blender. Go back to Studio, click Import 3D. Turn off Upload to Roblox. Turn on Anchored. Alright, so you can see, now since my windows weren't separated, it's going to be a little weird fitting it. So just select the part, the original part that you were trying to UV map. Reset pivot if you have to. Copy the origin position, and then paste it into your UV map without resetting pivot. Do it like that, and then you might have to move it back if you had to separate your parts. So there we go. Now right click on it, ungroup it, copy the texture ID, click the little plus next to the thing, add a surface appearance, color map, paste the texture ID you just copied into there, then switch alpha mode to transparency. And then wait for it to load. There we go. Now you have turn double-sided on too. There you go. Now your picture is officially UV mapped. Yeah, that's it.